Welcome to the Fast Cash Races. On the grid today, the jewel in the agricultural crown, a tractor, versus your car, the military might of a tank. All be crowned heavyweight champion of the track. Let's find out as they creep off the line. Oh, it's red sky at night, farmer's delight, as the tractor ploughs into a healthy lead. Can the tank respond? He's cocked, locked and ready to rock, but he can't do it. Oh no, he's been left behind. The tractor's dealt out some corporal punishment, and it's time for a tactical withdrawal. Bang! You're the loser.